Hello friends, hope you are doing well. I am doing also fine. Today I have brought you a video that will explain how to bring the facecam at the left bottom corner or right bottom corner of your screen, and I will also explain how to bring a colored border surrounding that facecam. The face cam would be definitely round shape and the border will be surrounding to that. The color of the border could be any. I will also explain how to change the color of the border. So let's get started. Let's go to the computer screen and find out how we can be doing that. Yes friend, now we have come to the computer screen and this is my Filmora 12 and I am going to explain how to bring the border and how to bring the face cam, round shape face cam while you want to explain something. At the background there will be something and you will be saying something at the same juncture simultaneously. At that particular context, how you can do or perform the video, how you can make the video. So I will be doing it on Filmora 12 platform. Let's get started. I have already imported some video, so you can see that. I will just I will bring down the video to my timeline. Here is the video at my timeline, and I will bring some image. That image will be at the background, and your video will be at the foreground, which will be left or right bottom corner, and that will be of definitely round shape. So let me go to the stock media, then Pixabay, then I will type down office background. So office background I have typed down. So this background I can take. I can bring down this background, or you can take some different background as well. For example, this one. Let it download, and that will be happening quite easily. So the thing is that the video which will be at the left bottom or right bottom corner, that will be the top and your background will be at the bottom. So background will be overlapped by your face cam. So initially it will look like this, and let me increase the length of the video a little bit. Okay, so this will be looking like this, and thereafter what I will do, I will select this video file first, and thereafter I will go to effects, and thereafter I will go for image mask. So I have gone to the image mask. The first one, image mask, you can see the round shape thing, that I will just hold and drag onto the video. See, the round shape has already come. So I will just magnify the round shapes. It can be slowed down, it can be magnified like this. And here are the scales. Here from also you can do that. The right side you can see my mouse. I will bring it down here at the bottom like this, and since the background is here, so it will show the background and my video will be shown here. If I play the video, see, I am talking, and that myself, my face can be seen, and in the background also can be seen. That you can explain. Let me pause the video. The video has to be first selected, and thereafter the drop shadow. Here you can see the drop shadow. You can make it soft, you can make it tilted, you can make the distance of the shadow like this. You can change like this. If you go to effect like this here, And if you want to change the width, it can be changed like this, and height you can change like this. So I will make it a perfect circle. And if you want to change the position of the x and y axis, that can be changed like this, from this x and y. Y, if it goes, it will go up and down. Okay, so this way it can be done. Thereafter, what I'll do, I will just bring the border. So I'll just go to the effects again. I write down border has come. Then this first one, anyone you can take and select and just hold it and drag it to the video file. Look, the border has come. Now this is this right side portion, this is the border portion. You can change the size of the border like this, thickness of the border as a matter of fact, and color can be changed like this. Suppose I want to bring yellow, so you can bring yellow color like this. Or if you want to change the first half portion is yellow, another portion is something else, for example red, that can be also brought, so it's looking nice. Now let me play the video. Look how it's coming. So this way you can change the border, and you can bring the border, and if you want to change the opacity, that can be also changed a little bit. You can change the direction of the image marks, that this will all come under effects. Okay, and under the video, the size of the thing can be changed. Also you can drag and drop the mouse. Through this mouse also, the position of the face cam can be changed. So let me go back and play the video once more to show you. This is like this. If you want to bring it at the middle and make it a little bit larger, it can be like this. So this is it about the video. Hope you have liked the video, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you have liked it, and hit the like button. Thank you so much, and take care. Bye bye.